Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You're signed into Microsoft with Bing Chat enabled, and you have a short script, example images, and a voice style ready. Once done, open Bing and switch to the Copilot or Image Creator area. Choose the Create Video or AI Video template. Make sure your media files are organized so you can add them quickly. This step matters because it saves editing time and prevents upload errors. Start the project with a clear plan and the right assets. Now you assemble the video. Divide your script into short scene lines to control pacing, typically 6 to 12 segments. Next, upload images or clips and assign each segment a duration, short clips for quick points and longer clips for demos. Then choose an AI voice, adjust tone and speed, and enable auto captions for accessibility. Make edits as you preview. This step is about timing and clarity, so refine scene length and voice delivery until the flow feels natural and the visuals match. To finish, preview the entire video from start to end and watch for mismatched timing or clipping. Fix sync and export as MP4 at the resolution you need. Once exported, test playback on a separate device to confirm quality. If audio and visuals are off, trim clips or tweak scene durations and re-render. If uploads or renders fail, try reducing file size using a wired connection or clearing the browser cache. This common troubleshooting tip solves most hiccups and gets you back to a clean render quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.